Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to learn the cursive F. Okay, over here you will see this is a manuscript F, and this is the cursive F. To make the cursive F, you're going to start at the bottom line. You're going to go up, loop back, go down, and today we're going to go all the way down in the basement. Back up to the bottom line, connect it, and then bring it back out like this, okay? All right, so watch me do this again, okay? I'm going to go up, loop back, go all the way down into the basement. Back up, connect it, and then put your undercurve stroke going out. That will connect to the next letter. Okay, so here we go again. Let's do this again. Up, loop back, come all the way down, back up and around. Up, loop back, come straight down into the basement, back up, connect it, and back up to the dotted line. Up, down, back up, into the dotted line. Okay, stop the video and you make your F's. Right here, you're going to write your F's. Right here, you're going to trace your F's, and then you're going to write your F's right under there. Okay, we're back, and this says funny footprints. So this is how you would read this in cursive. Funny footprints. And look, he's got some funny footprints going across the sand or the dirt right there. Okay, so we're going to join the F and some other letters. Here we're going to do an F and an L. Watch me do it, and then you try it. F, loop back, come all the way down, hook it up, and then go straight up to your L, loop back down and around. Okay, now I want you to try it. All right, good job. Okay, the next one we're going to do is an F and an I. So here I go. Go up, loop back, come all the way down. Then we're going to loop front, and then make your I. Then you're going to pick up your pencil and dot your I. The whole time you're making the F, your pencil never picks up off of the paper. So if you're having to pick up your pencil and make your loops or something, you are not doing it correctly, okay? So let's try this again. We're going to go up, loop back, come all the way down, loop front. Then we're going to go straight up into our I, pick up your pencil and dot your I. Now let's do the F-E. Go up, loop back, come all the way down, loop front, and then you're going to go straight up into your E. Okay, now you try it. Undercurve up, loop back, come all the way down, loop forward, and then put your undercurve E right there. Okay, now we're going to do an F and a T. So here we go. Go up, loop back, come all the way down, loop forward, tuck it in, then go and do your T. Pick up your pencil and cross. Okay, you try it under there. Okay, good job. All right, now we're going to do an I-F-E. We're going to join the I. We're going to join it to the F, loop back, come down and loop forward. Then go up and loop back for your E. Pick up your pencil and come back and dot your I. Okay, now we're going to try that down here. Okay, now we're going to work on some words. This first word is F-U-L-L. Full, full. Okay, so here I go. I'm going to go up, loop back, come all the way down, loop forward. Now I'm going to undercurve up into my U, then come down and undercurve up, loop back, undercurve up, loop back, and undercurve up. Okay, That word is full. Now you try it. Okay, our next word is beef. Beef. This is B-E-E-F. Okay, so here we go. We're going to go up, loop back, come down, come all the way back up to the dotted line and put your check stroke there. Go straight into your E, E, loop back, come down, loop forward, tuck it in, and go back up. Okay, so you try that. Our next word is fit. We're going to start at the bottom line, go up, loop back, come all the way down, loop forward. Now we're going to go up, down, all the way up to the top of the attic, back down, and undercurve back up. Pick up your pencil, dot your I, and cross your T. This word is fit. Okay, now you try it. Okay, our last word is left. L-E-F-T. Left. Left. Okay, so here we go. We're going to go up, loop back, come down. We're going to undercurve up into our E. Come back around. Go up, loop back, come down. Loop forward. And then go into your T. Okay, now you try it. Very good. Now, the bottom says, circle your best letter that has a descender. A descender means it goes down into the basement. So I really like this one right here. So I'm going to circle this F because this one has the perfect descender because it is descending down into the basement. Okay, very good, boys and girls.